Hi everyone, this is Spring again from IBM ECM Level 2 support team in Asia Pacific region. And continue to the last video. In this video, I will show you the step 4, how to deploy operator and CR, customer resource, in the, with Ansible script. Okay, so in this step, actually, I will the bullet point you can see actually first we'll copy the GDBC driver to NFS operator PVC, okay, persistent volume claim, and then we'll create secrets needed for the ECM, and also we will go through this CR template. Okay, let's start it. So here is the deploy operator playbook content. Okay, you can see actually first we will locate the NFS server. Okay, we'll create the GDBC driver working directory, and then copy the GDBC driver to this working directory, and then copy the GDBC driver. Okay, you can see we use the copy. Okay, to copy this two drivers, GDBC drivers, to the destination folder NFS working directory. Okay, and then we'll copy the GDBC driver to operator port PVC persistent volume folder shell. You can see. Okay, we will utilize this shell to directly copy that those GDBC driver to the operator port persistent volume. Okay, back to the Bastion server. Okay, we'll go to this. We will use this. Still utilize the ECM DB YAML, and also first task will create copy the generate secret shell to the working folder. Then we'll generate the secret. Use this shell. Okay, and then I'll copy the generate CR shell to the working directory, and then we will first log on the OCP URL with the username and password, and then we'll finally apply this YAML and to trigger the operator deployment. Okay. Okay, here is the important CR YAML template content. You can see here, and I think those above it are all default settings. You can see it's the like lessons, and also the report 3 will utilize will still use the cp.icr.io. Okay, and for the deployment pattern, we use content, and also we will install the optional component CSS, and also the deployment types we choose the enterprise. Okay, and also the storage configuration manage NFS storage. Okay, and also we set content SC content initialization as true to utilize the operator initialization process. Okay. Then back to the LDAP configuration, we'll use IBM Security Directory Server, and also we use the Ansible variable LDAP hostname port, and also the secret. Okay, LDAP base DN. Okay, all those. And then we will come to the database data source, GNDI data source. Okay, first is the GCD. We'll use this Ansible variable like a DB hostname, GCD DB hostname port. Okay, and then we will enter in the loop for the object store. You can see for DB in database, and also DB type equals object store. Okay. Also, you can see here is and also the ISIN data source. Then we come to the section initialize configuration. Okay, here's the domain and also the our tab creation and like our admin username and the admin group name. Okay. And also for the object store, you can see actually we will also utilize that YAML and also the looping. Okay. We're using the DB name naming convention. We can create like a data source name, a display name, or like a storage area name. You can see storage area name, OPT, IBM, ASC. Okay. Also, so the DB name, the root ASC root directory, and also if workflow enabled, we can also utilize the DB name to create the region name and also some like table space and also the admin group and the configure group, workflow configure group. Okay, that's it for the CR YAML. Okay, I think that's it for today's this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.